ready, and action.
Welcome back to another episode
Of Cooking with Mal and Liv.
This is the season finale. We are so sad. Reinhardt, can you edit like rain and make it real sad like?
Yeah. We're really sad. Grab your tissues because this episode is a tearjerker.
It really is.
Yeah. Okay, today we are making, what are we making?
Choc hazelnut spread.
Yes. Because the only bad thing about Nutella is that it's not vegan. So if you're a vegan, you need to make this recipe because you can enjoy it.
This is a lot healthier for you if you want a nice healthy alternative.
And it's really easy.
And it's super easy, so let's get to it.
Let's do it. So we've got some coconut cream here. So I'm just gonna go and heat this up quickly. Yes. And Liv, I'll leave you to do your thing over here.
Regular programming, we've got our hazelnuts. So I'll pour them into the food processor. We've also got some vegan chocolate chips, so I'll pour them in as well. And vegan Choc hazelnut protein powder. Can we just blend that up now?
All right, I think that'll do it.
I reckon.
We're heating up the coconut cream because we popped the choc chips in there. So when we put the coconut cream in there and it's warm, it's gonna make everything melt and it's gonna make it into a gooey, delicious Nutella-y paste. So
I'm so excited.
We're nearly done. Okay, so once you start to see some bubbles with your coconut cream, it's ready to go. So that'll mean it's nice and warm, it's been simmering. So I'm just gonna go and pour this in. And Liv's coming with the sweet stuff.
Yes, we forgot. We wanted to add some sweetener, so just adding maple syrup to this one.
Now we're gonna blend her up.
Blenderoo.
So you basically just wanna blend it until it turns out like Nutella. That's it.
Yeah.
Ping hole.
Ready?
Let's check it. Let's have a look.
Oh my god, yum.
It
Getting
looks
close.
good.
Getting to the close up.
Oh,
Look
that's
at that creaminess.
That is delish.
Yum.
Now, depending on how you like it, you could keep blending, but I think this is nice. It's gonna have a little bit of a crunch,
Yeah,
but
I
if
like
you
that.
don't want any crunch at all, just keep going. Should we try?
Yes.
All right, get a
get
spoon. Let's do it. It's good.
That's really good.
With
This is
strawberries?
my favourite. This and the milk. We need strawberries.
Yeah, we need strawberries. We should have got strawberries. Okay, so if you make this, take it out of here, put it in a jar. You can keep it in the fridge. And yeah, if you make this recipe, yeah, that's it. Make sure to tag us and share it with us on your stories. I'm gonna eat my lunch now.
Yeah, this is my lunch.
Rian, you can clean up.
Yeah, we're
The
done.
talent is done.
We quit. Mic drop.
Yeah,
Edit the mic drop.